New to Swift? Learn how to use variables and constants to store and manage data in your apps. Let's dive in. Create a new SwiftUI project. So we'll just select App. Make sure iOS tab has been clicked as well. Click on Next. Enter the name of your project. We just call this Variables and Constants. Click on Create. We can delete the preview on lines 22 as we're not using it for the moment. We can also delete the lines between 13 and 16 and delete dot padding. Just type the following dot on a pair. What is a variable? A variable is a container used to store data that can be changed during the execution of your program. Here's a little example. Var age equals 25. Here, age holds the value 25 and you can update it later. Why are variables important? Variables allow your app to hold and manipulate data such as user input, storing names, ages, app state, tracking if a user is logged in or not, computation using values in calculations. So how are variables declared? Variables are declared using the keyword var followed by the variable name, such as name equals John. You can also specify the type explicitly, such as var age int equals 25. If you need a constant, a value that cannot change, you use let. I'll just delete or comment out the line 17 because there's a conflict with the variable that we just created called age. As you can see, when you're creating a variable, you have to make sure that all variables are unique. So if you need a constant, you just use the keyword let, birth year equals 1988. Want to build your own Connect4 app? Now you can. Download the free source code and start building today. The link is in the description below. Mutability of variables. Using var versus let. Var creates a mutable variable, meaning its value can be changed. For example, what we've done on lines 21. Var age colon int equals 25. That variable can be changed. Here, the value of age can be changed later in the program. Let creates a constant, meaning the value cannot be changed. As we've done on line 23, let birth year equals 1988. That value cannot be changed. So if we wanted to change a variable value, all we need to do is type the name of the variable, which is age, that we declared on line 21, but now we're typing it on line 25. And now we're going to rewrite or overwrite the value that's in memory for that variable. So we just assign it to 30. Originally it had 25. So that's how you overwrite a variable. But if you wanted to do the same thing with birth year, it cannot be done because it's constant. The value cannot be changed. As you can see, cannot assign to value birth year is a let constant. And this tutorial helpful.
I'm aiming for
Please
a new
comment,
MacBook
like
Pro,
and subscribe.
which costs £4,000 to improve video editing and audio quality for better tutorials. If you'd like to support, the link is in the description. Thank you so much.
So the common data types for variables are data types such as string, which is used to store text like names or cities. That's what we done earlier on line 19. And also int is used to store whole numbers like age or score, as we done on line 21. Double and float is used to store decimal numbers like height or temperature. Double is more precise than float. To create a double, all we need to do is type var height equals 5.9, and that's our double variable data type. But if we want to explicitly create a variable with a data type such as height and make it double, we'll type the following: var my height colon double equals 5.9. As you can see here, we're stating an actual data type, which is the best way of doing it really. Makes your code more readable and maintainable. Type safety. Swift is a type-safe language, meaning the type of a variable is checked at compile time to prevent type mismatch. And here's an example. If I try to convert this double into string, you'll see there's a type mismatch. If I try to compile it by going to product and build, as you can see, cannot convert value of type string to specify type double because it's the wrong data type. If you want to see what your variable holds, all you need to do is type the following. You type print name, print age, and then print birth year, and then print height. And then we just run it. So how we run the actual code, what we can do, we can display the actual output using the console. The console is available on the view menu item, and then we just navigate to debug area and activate console. Then to run it, just click on product and run. And then we should see the output. As you can see, this is the output. John, which is the variable name, John, that's assigned to the name, that's assigned to the variable name, and 30 is assigned to the age variable on line 25. We overwrote it earlier, so this is the new value. Birth year, which is assigned 1988, as you can see here, and also height, which is assigned 5.9, which is here. If this tutorial helped you, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you next week.